Hello there, welcome to our channel Blognets again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Facebook Messenger app on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to download and install the Facebook Messenger app, first open up your Play Store. And here's the Play Store. Let's open it up. And after that, on the top of your screen, you can see the search bar. Tap on there and search for Facebook Messenger like this and tap on search again. And after that, you can see the Messenger app available at the top of the list. Tap over there. But guys, I have already installed it, so you can install it over from here. You will see the install button available over here, whereas I have the open button. And after that, after tapping on install, the app will automatically be installed on your phone. And after that, let's open up our Messenger app. And after that, this is the Messenger app of ours. When you first open your Messenger, it will be something like this. And over here, enter your phone number or email, and after that, enter your password over here like this. And after that, enter your password and tap on login, and you'll be successfully logged into your Messenger account. And there guys, this is how you download and install your Facebook Messenger app on your mobile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.